Welcome to Science with Dr. T. This week, we'll be learning about DNA mutations. Sometimes mistakes are made when DNA is replicated, and these mistakes can lead to mutations. A point mutation is when there is a substitution in a single nucleotide base in the DNA. This change can be a silent, missense, or nonsense mutation. A silent mutation does not change the amino acid, despite there being a change in the DNA sequence. Because remember, multiple codons code for the same amino acid. So it's possible to have a DNA sequence change but still keep the same amino acid. A missense mutation happens when there's a change in the amino acid. A nonsense mutation happens when a stop codon takes the place of an amino acid. Frame shift mutations happen when something disrupts the reading frame. Remember, we said codons are groups of 3 bases. So if you have an insertion where an extra base is added, or a deletion where a base is deleted, that will shift the frame to make room for the additional base or to fill in for the missing base. When that happens, your group of 3 that makes up your codon may be different. Now let's put these concepts into practice. Practice problem number 1. What type of mutation is illustrated below? First, we need to compare the sequences to find the difference. Here, we see that the U in the normal sequence was changed to a C in the mutant sequence. Using our codon chart, let's compare the codon in the normal sequence to the codon in the mutant sequence. We have AAU in the normal sequence, which codes for asparagine, and in the mutant sequence, we have AAC, which also codes for asparagine. So since the amino acid sequence did not change, this would be a silent mutation. Let's try a second practice problem. Which sequence would cause a nonsense mutation in the normal sequence below? So we know we are looking for a nonsense mutation, which means an amino acid would be changed to a stop codon. When we compare answer choice A to our normal sequence, nothing has changed, so we can eliminate that choice. The first codon in answer choice B is different from the normal sequence, so let's see what change this mutation introduced. ACU in the normal sequence codes for THR, which is threonine, and ACA in the mutated sequence also codes for threonine. So B is a silent mutation and can be eliminated. The last codon of answer choice C contains a change when compared with the normal sequence. CGU in the normal sequence codes for ARG, which is arginine. CAU in the mutated sequence codes for HIS, which is histidine. Here, one amino acid was changed for another, so this is a missense mutation and can be eliminated. In answer choice D, the second codon contains a change compared to the normal sequence. UUA in the normal sequence codes for Lu, which is leucine, and UGA in the mutated sequence is a stop codon, which is the nonsense mutation we are looking for. So D is our correct answer. I hope you guys found this helpful. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to like our videos, subscribe to the channel, and share. Next time, we'll look at amino acid characteristics.